I'm Mila. This is my website, my project. As you can see, it's all about me. The design is pretty simple. I'm a fan of minimalistic and again simple designs. So I kind of decided on such a very minimalistically aesthetic design. On top of it, my functionality is not out of this world. I mean, I have basically just fitted images, text, paragraphs, and some video links from YouTube, tables, etc. Nothing very so spectacular, but this is how I like it. I decided I want to describe some very brief moments from my childhood, which is why this overall homepage is designed like this. It says, "Welcome to my world, a very brief collection of moments from my life so far," and here you can choose a period. I have early years, teen, college. Uh, Basically, I have used external CSS mainly. Here you can see some of my code. It's important to note I have used overlay for the pictures. Not that important to note, but just I want to mention it. Um, Kind of to fade the design, overlay, kind of all the things I want to fit in this page. I have used headings, tables. This is actually a table, and all the pictures in the pages that follow so far are tables. Basically, the layout of all pages is pretty much the same because I decided this is the best way to kind of showcase what I wanted to do. Something else I want to mention from my CSS. Yes, the navigation bar is pretty much not a proper navigation bar, it's an ordered list, which is I decided to do it like this because I could fit properly the headings for each picture because this was my idea to choose the whole section, whole column. And yeah, we can start. This is the home page, very brief collection of moments from my life so far. We have a table with no rows, three columns, and if we choose early years, we're taken to my early years, where I mentioned when I was born. I have played in this project, I have just played mostly with the fonts and the design, how I want everything to fit aesthetically. So this is a paragraph where I describe where I was born, how I had no siblings, so I managed to learn how to play on my own and enjoy myself. And these pictures kind of fit the nature of my character's childhood. Loved fashion, loved playing in the nature, and loved ballet. Uh, that's pretty much it. Again, this is a table, a three-column table. And yeah, here I play with the colors. I wanted them to be exactly like my clothes here. So again, if we go to teen, we can notice that it's pink. Pink is not my favorite color, but I had to use it for the sake of the design of this project. So yes, here I describe the point of this project for me to just fit very brief, very small moments from my life from each age, as again early years, teenager, college. And so for teenager I decided to describe it, they were just years of fun, social life, fun and carelessness. And I decided to fit a video I have made like 5, 6, 7 years ago, I don't even remember, actually my only video on YouTube, where it kind of describes just my teenage years. We're having fun, someone's falling, failing, laughing. Yeah, basically, it's not such a fascinating video, but I decided to fit it because it's just a fun memory for me. I described that it's a memory from a camp in Austria. We were going down a mountain peak, my friend fell, etc. etc. Nothing so special, to be honest. But yes, again, headings, paragraphs. That's pretty much it. We can all the links work from home, or you see what I mean. So these are my college years sections, so to say. Again, I have played with the fonts, with the colors, pursuing an aesthetic design yet minimalistic. Have a little heading, describe that sadly my college years end is approaching, and I decided to kind of fit my the best memory for me from my college years so far. Maybe I have better, we'll see. But it's when I visited, when I spent a semester at Harvard. I fitted an image of me and my friends from my time back then. Have described where this is. It's actually the dormitory of Mark Zuckerberg, which I found really fascinating that we stayed in. And yes, this is actually a table, the heading and picture, a two-row table. I don't really remember why I did this, but there was something behind because I wanted to fit the heading exactly like this, close to the table, and so yeah, this is why I chose the table. But yes, this is pretty much my website. I mentioned that I use mainly external CSS. However, I use, for example, some inline CSS because it is easier to play with the design, like here, letter spacing, font family for each and every heading, because it was just easier to get the overall design that I was going after. But yes, this is pretty much my website. Miller's World, welcome, enjoy, bye. If it's important to note, copyrighted by me. So, yeah, thank you.